In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and manage a MailerLite API token for seamless integrations. To begin, open your browser and head to MailerLite's main website. From there, navigate to the Login section and sign into your account. This takes you straight to your MailerLite dashboard, the control center for your email marketing. Once you're in, look for the Integrations tab. This area is what connects MailerLite with other tools, letting your campaigns work hand in hand with websites, apps, and automation services. Inside Integrations, find the API option and click it. This is where you'll create and manage your API tokens, the secure keys that authorize other applications to talk to your MailerLite account. Next, click Generate New Token. You'll be prompted to name the token. Use a clear, descriptive name that reflects where it will be used, like the app or integration it belongs to. This makes it easier to manage multiple tokens later and quickly identify which token powers which connection. Before you proceed, take a moment to read MailerLite's API token requirements and terms of use. They explain how tokens should be handled and what's allowed. When you're comfortable with the terms, check the box to confirm your acknowledgement, then click Create Token. You've now created your API token. Think of it as a confidential pass that enables data exchange between MailerLite and your chosen tools. At this moment, you can either copy the token or download it depending on the options presented. This is important. For security reasons, the full token will not be shown again after you close this window. If you lose it, you'll need to generate a new one, so save it somewhere secure right away. Treat your token like a password. Don't share it publicly. Don't paste it into screenshots, and avoid sending it over unsecured channels. A password manager or a secure vault is a smart place to store it. When you add the token to another app, use environment variables or encrypted settings if available, and only give access to team members who truly need it. With these steps completed, you've set up a fresh MailerLite API token, and you're ready to connect your account to other platforms. Clear naming, careful storage, and thoughtful access go a long way in keeping your integrations reliable and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.